Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to power off a Fastrack smartwatch. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings, press this button, so it will be awake. Go to settings, and here right just scroll down, you can see these options, power off. So tap this power off or restart. You can, if you want to restart, right, you can do restart. So if you want to power off, you can do that. So I'm going to choose restart. So it's restarting. It's restarted successfully. If you want to power off, right, you can do the same. So scroll down, and this is power off. It's turned off. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in the video form. Thank you. Bye and take care.